Hello, this is a quick introduction to IMX targeted to potential investors and partners. IMX stands for Information Management and Exchange. I am Kifa Isa, the founder. I have 20 plus years of experience in facets of software engineering and management. The problem that IMX attempts to solve is around data management. Users are increasingly challenged by having dispersed and segregated systems that deal with different types of data. It's difficult and very challenging to have one single view to the data, access it and consolidate it in one location where you can extract insights and reports. It's also difficult to serve this data or control how the data is served accordingly. The solution that IMX proposes is something called a unified data platform, where we offer a single data layer that assimilates all your data, documents, media, structured data, all your valuable data, and then give you the option to manage that data and surface it to public consumption or restricted users. The data is also enriched with meta information around lineage, like how did data come to existence, the history or the change history of the data, the interactions of users, and so forth and so on. This also reduces complexity in terms of software development, because the application that would run on top of this data will not consider or care about data management, data access, data serving, etc. It will simply feed from the API layer of the single data platform. The existing competition in the market are two areas or two segments. One is regular or classical content management systems like WordPress, Drupal, etc. And the other is more targeted unified messaging, unified platforms, unified data platforms. But all of them lack many of the features that IMX proposes. The verdict is all of those options are great. They're doing well in the market. IMX is learning from them. And at the same time, IMX offers an additional set of capabilities that makes a more comprehensive user experience. The target audience and market segments, this is a general purpose data platform, but here are just some examples on how this platform can be leveraged. So educational institutions like schools could leverage IMX to host information around students, teachers, HR in classrooms, and have a living and breathing educational material and content, assign homework, follow up with students and parents, have banks for questions, and track activities through tickets. Healthcare, for example, like clinics, could use IMX to capture patient information data, proceedings of like what happens with the patient and history. It could also integrate with insurance companies, hospitals, health centers, and pharmacies. Individuals, on the other hand, could also benefit from IMX, where freelancers could track customers, track activities, have timesheets, have some basic invoicing capabilities, capture communication and artifacts of what they deliver to their customers. Content producers, kind of high-end users or high-end professionals who are involved in content production, can leverage IMX to achieve independence from major free platforms, where those channels or media outlets could, for any reason, close or restrict people from producing the content that they desire. At the same time, this platform offers them the option to publish the content that they produce on IMX to other outlets or channels like YouTube, social media channels, and what have you. The business model is based on a subscription model, or this is one subset of it, where we offer a set of services like digital vault, public verified signature, timestamping, and we also offer hosting options on the cloud with proper security and backup in place. Professional services are also provided in the form of customization and implementation, so we could configure the system for specific customer needs, and we can also provide support and training. We are also strategically interested in building or establishing a network of certified professionals and partners who could help promote and support the product. The accomplished amount of the product implementation so far is a working prototype, where architecture and development of that prototype has completed. This includes the election of the technology stack. The completed and working prototype is end-to-end, so it includes both front-end and back-end with core features. And I have done real-life tests where I migrated a substantial sample website based on an old or existing content management system to this new technology. The upcoming work is first complete an MVP, where we need to implement additional core features and harden the current prototype implementation. So for example, add better UX UI, support mobiles, extend admin interface, and have better support for structured data and saved queries. The final stage, or milestone if you may, would be around completing the flagship product, where additional features are going to be added, such as messaging, subscription notifications, plugins and app store, and root services. The plan for moving forward, I plan to establish a team and limited liability company here in Turkey, Istanbul, that would be around 10 people, and this would take 6 months to get in shape, and then I need another 8 months to complete the development and have the MVP released. And then for the following 18 months, I will be engaging in business, and there will be a number of parallel activities taking place. First, I'll be hosting and maintaining product installations that serve public and community portals. This will help promote the product and demonstrate the power of the technology by putting it in real test. Then the next parallel activity would be establishing sales, infrastructure, support, and training operations. Then growing customer base and sustaining operation, establishing a network of professional community and partnerships or investors, completing the implementation of the flagship product. So this is in a nutshell what IMX is about and where we stand with it. I hope you are interested or at least intrigued to contact me for any questions or details. I look forward to have you help me through this journey by partnering on delivering this product. Thank you very much and have a good day.